Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by the Camping Family channel. Welcome to the 2024 camping season. We are on location out here at Rocky Fork Ranch Resort. I know, one of our favorites. But we're out here Memorial Day weekend. It is Thursday. Down here all set up. Worked from down here today. Family's coming down tomorrow. So all set up. Got the smoker smoking away, doing a couple burgers, season them up really well, using Meat Church, of course. I've had this on here before. I love Meat Church products. Smoker's all set, running about 250. Internal temp is 340. I go by this. But we're at a good temp to throw these on. So a couple birds going on, just like that. Be back in a half hour. Get those off. Now people are starting to fill in. When I got here, not many. Pan around. Looking good. Folks down there pulled in just a little bit ago. Neighbors here just pulled in. A couple of folks down there at the end pulled in. Still a couple open slots over here. So slowly filling in. Hopefully the weather's going to hold off. Although it looks like it's going to rain Saturday. So we'll see what happens. I think Sunday, rain all day. Then maybe nice Monday. So we'll see how it goes. Just gonna get ready for dinner here. Thought I'd do a quick little intro video on site. Rocky Fork. Yeah. Alright. Let's see how these burgers turn out. Alright, it's been about a half hour. I just put some cheese on. How are those looking? So let me know down below, if you eat burgers, do you like cheese or no cheese? That is white American. It smells fantastic. I love those pellets. Alright, I'm going to go eat. Another look at the campground tonight. Maybe we'll come out and do a little fire tonight. I don't know. All depends on the weather. Looks like rain's coming in tonight. So we shall see. Alright, it's Friday evening. People starting to fill in. Gonna cook hot dogs tonight. Get a fire going. The Blue Sky pellet fire pit. This is the smokeless version. Got it filled up right here. Let's get it going. Well, family just got here. Unload the van. Get ready to start the fire. Put some pellets in. I got my little matchstick here. Alcohol. Yep. Timed out. There we go. Let's burn away. Gonna do some dogs tonight. Alright. Always works out good. Smells fantastic. Alright, let's close the van up. I think they're here to stay. Yep, fire's getting started here. People filling in. We're pretty much full on our side. Alright, fire is going good. Nice steady fire. Get ready to cook some hot dogs for tonight. Pretty calm night. Alright, it is Saturday afternoon. About 1:30-ish. Weather is overcast today. Just had some clouds roll through with some light rain, nothing major. Getting ready to put on some ribs on the smoker. Smoker is warming up. We're on smoke setting today, 225. I probably will put on 225. Get that going. Right now it's just cooling down a little bit. Ribs are over here. I asked Danielle if she wanted some spicy ribs today. She said yes. So we're using the Malcolm's Rub Killer Hog Hot Barbecue. And all I brought today was the Voodoo from Meat Church. So using those. French's mustard as a binder. These are just kind of sweating a little bit, getting them ready to go. So we are all ready. As soon as this cools down a little bit more, we'll put those on. We're at 260. I want that to come down just a little bit more. So we will put those on once it gets about 225. Alright. Alright, let's try this again. Memorial Day parade down here at Rocky Fork. Here comes the horses.
Hi guys.
Looking good.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing well. Happy Memorial.
Happy Memorial Day. Awesome. There we are. All right. Looking good. Back to the smoker. Got the ribs cooking away here. Down to 200. About 175. Perfect temp. All right, final product. Oh, 4 hours. So we have. There you go. Oh yeah. All ready to go. Take them inside. Got some Zatarain's rice. We're gonna have that with the ribs. All right, dinner is done. Who's coming over? Well, we are home. Just got home. It's Sunday afternoon. Unfortunately, when I booked there at the campground, I forgot to book through Monday for Memorial Day. So we're home. Unfortunately, my Osmo Action 4 has been acting up. I don't know what's going on with it, but I lost a lot of videos. So maybe it's the SD card went bad. I got one on order. We got it off Amazon, but so. I didn't get a lot of videos this weekend, sadly. Hope everybody has a wonderful Memorial Day weekend, remembering those that have fallen on this wonderful day. And we'll see you on the next one, hopefully with some videos. All right, everybody have a great day.